Hello everyone, in today's video I will tell you about the black screen problem in Naruto Ninja Storm 4. So if you are facing the black screen issue in Naruto Ninja Storm 4 and Windows 10 and 11 PC, I will tell you how to fix it. You have to follow the steps as I am showing in this video, and if you are new to this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Let's watch it.